subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has announced two new affordable smartphones under Y series called Huawei Y5p and Y6p. Among these two, the Huawei Y6p is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Y6p features a 6.3-inch HD Plus display with water drop notch at the top center that carries 8-megapixel selfie camera. At the back, the phone supports triple camera setup that includes 13-megapixel main camera accompanied by 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the device is powered by MediaTek's Helio P22 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that can also be further expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. The handset comes equipped by a large 5000 mAh battery that charges through a micro USB port, and it runs on Android 10 based on EMUI 10.1 skin on the top. Additionally, the phone also supports an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.07 by 74.06 by 9.04 mm and it weighs around 185 grams. Now, talking about the pricing. The Huawei Y6p has been priced in Cambodia at $139. And it will be available in emerald green, phantom purple and midnight black color options. So what do you guys think of this Huawei Y6p smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.